In this video, I'll be showing you how to make another account on Roblox using the same device. I'll be showing a few options so you can use whatever option is best for you. If you're on PC, then the first option is to select More from the side. Then you can choose to log out. If you don't know your email and password, then it's best not to sign out or to change your password before logging out. Click the Create Account button once you have signed out, then go through and create your new account. Another option is to open your web browser and go to the Roblox website. Here you can sign up or click the Sign Up button if you're on this page. Again, if you're already signed into an account on your browser, then you can use a different browser to make another Roblox account, or open a private browser by pressing Ctrl-Shift-N. A private browser is a temporary browser where the information isn't saved. This means closing the window will sign you out of the account, so make sure you remember the login information. If you're on mobile or iPad, then open the Roblox app and select More from the bottom. Scroll down to the bottom, then click the Switch Accounts button. Select Add Account, then choose to create new accounts and fill in the information to create your new Roblox account. Another option is to use the alternative version of Roblox on PC. Open the Start menu and search for Roblox. If your version is called Roblox Player and right-clicking on it gives you the Open File Location option, then you have the desktop version of Roblox. If your version is just called Roblox and you get the App Settings option when you right-click on it, then you have the Microsoft Store version. Now you will need to get the version you don't already have. To get the desktop version, go to the Roblox website and sign in if you aren't already. Select a game. Any game will work, then click the play button. Wait a moment and a new window will appear. Click the download button, then wait for the Roblox installer to download. Once downloaded, open the download manager, then choose to show in folder or open file location. Double-click on the Roblox installer file, then complete the process to install Roblox. Once done, Roblox should open. If it doesn't, then open it manually. Click the Create Account button, then make your Roblox account. To get the Microsoft Store version, open the Start menu and search for Store. Select Microsoft Store to open it. Click on the search bar, then type in Roblox and press Enter. Select Roblox to open the page. Then click the Get button. Once done, click the Install button and wait for Roblox to install. Open the Start menu and search for Roblox. Then open your new version of Roblox. Click the Create Account button and make a new Roblox account. You now know how to make another account on Roblox on the same device. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.